back. I had a few questions, or people asked me questions about how I mounted this body. So I'm gonna show you. So obviously these are our body post mounts, right? Take that off. Take the body off. You can see the two holes that I put there in the back of the body. And there's these two posts right here that are just simply screwed in. So the body posts, I believe, are off a Element. These mounts right here, those are the Rock Pirates body mount kits. And he also asked how I mounted my battery. I used the same mount here that I screwed to here, and it's another Rock Pirates body post mount, and then I just simply screwed it into the battery mount. So here, I'll pull the battery off, and this is the Rock Pirates battery tray. You can see where I put the two screws in there, and I've got the body post mount kit screwed to the side of the shock tower. So that's all I did to mount the body, and come out really good. It is very, very solid. The body does not move at all. The bottom of the body right here lays right on top of the Rock Pirates rock sliders, so it's a very solid mount. It does not move at all. I've probably got 80 hours on this car already, and yeah, I've rolled it multiple times and it hasn't hurt anything. Alright folks, thank you all for watching. Stay safe and God bless.